Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Thank you so much to all my wonderful subscribers, and if you are new to my channel, please do not forget to subscribe. So in today's video, it is another cooking recipe. So in today's video, we are going to be making Nigerian Igbo delicacy. This delicacy, if you're from Igbo side, you will understand how sweet and how juicy this delicacy is. So we're going to be making Nkwobi. Nkwobi is not necessarily a meal. You will not say, oh, I'm having Nkwobi for lunch, I'm having Nkwobi for dinner. No, it is delicacy, something that people go out for special day, sit down, enjoy in the bar, with palm wine. Nkwobi added on with palm wine. Hey, it's like Onuzenigwe has opened. The heavens door will open and be singing hallelujah. It is that sweet. I'm not just exaggerating. It is that delicious and that sweet. So we're going to be making Nkwobi today. Like, it is one of my Igbo favorite delicacy. Nkwobi and goat head, I love them so much. So guys, I will take you guys over there and I'll introduce you guys to our ingredients for today. And if you're new to my channel, my name is Justina, and in here we do food recipe, mukbang, chit-chat, vlog, and natural health tips. So come on board, let me take you guys over there. Let's get on with our Nkwobi. So guys, this is our ingredients for today. So I have onions, I have potash. Potash is something that helps the oil to curdle. It is very important in making Nkwobi. I know these days there's a recipe on how to make your oil to curdle without potash, but growing up, potash was the only thing that you used to make your oil to curdle. I have my calabash nut, a who seed. I have my obaka. Obaka is optional. Obaka, you don't only use obaka for Nkwobi. You use obaka for making abacha, African salad as well. But if you don't have obaka for your Nkwobi, it's not a must. I have my otaze. Otaze is a vegetable, but it has a very, very bitter taste. But you always use it for making Nkwobi. I have my Nigerian dry chili. I have my crayfish. That's my crayfish. I'm going to grind more because this one is small. Because when you're making Nkwobi, you want to add a good amount of crayfish. I have my salt and I have my maggi. In here is our cow leg. So guys, this is our cow leg. I have onions inside here and I'm going to add salt and maggi. Let's start cooking our cow leg. I have a tiny bit of water inside, so I'm going to add salt. I will add 3 maggi. And that is all I'm adding to cook my cow leg. So I'm basically gonna put the stove on and start cooking my cow leg. We're going to allow this cow leg to cook, and being that I'm cooking this in the pot, this cow leg can take at least 2 hours or more to get soft. So I'm just gonna cover it and let it cook. Okay, let it cook completely. It has to be done before we start the process of our Nkwobi. So I'm going to cover my pot, okay, and it is important to be adding your water small time. If you check the meat and the meat is drying up, add your water small because you don't want the water to be too big. You want, at the end of your cooking, you want the water to dry up with the meat so it can give the meat a very juicy taste. So yes, we are going to start cooking our meat. So with our calabash nut, we're going to peel out the skin. You can use nut cracker if you have nut cracker to peel out the skin. But what I do is I give it a tiny bit of bite and it opens, and then I just peel out the skin like that, okay? Because you need the skin out before you ground your calabash nut. So guys, I am done taking out the shells of my calabash nutmeg, okay? I have taken it out. That is my ehu seed. And I am going to blend our crayfish. After blending the crayfish, I will then blend our ehu seeds. So I am done blending my crayfish. I am going to put it in my crayfish container. I'm done blending my crayfish, okay? And we are going to blend our ehu seeds. So I am done blending my calabash nutmeg, and I am going to add water in my potash. I need to leave this to sit and be, melting away, okay? I need to leave it to sit for long. So I'll leave it there to sit and be melting away until I'm ready to use it. So guys, my meat is done now. I have been cooking this meat for the past 2 hours, and you can see everything has dried up. It doesn't have any water in it. This is how you want it. You want the water to cook and dry up so all the juiciness will be in the meat. So we're gonna take this meat out of the stove now. So guys, after taking my meat out of the stove, I'm trying to see if I can cut some of the meat out of the bone, and some I will leave with the bone as well. So trying to see if I can get the meat out. Or even cut the bone into tiny pieces, So guys, after cutting my meat, I'm going to move it aside. So now guys, I am going to start adding my palm oil. I'm going to add my potash. So I'll be adding the potash little by little, and then I will mix. Now you can see the oil has started curdling. So now guys, I'll start adding my crayfish. So I'll add my crayfish, I'm going to be so generous with this my crayfish, okay? I'll add that. I'll add my calabash nut. I'll add my dry chili. And then I will mix. So now guys, I'm going to add my okpaka. So after that, I'm going to add my meat. So guys, I am going to add 1 Maggi to this. And I'm going to mix. It tastes so yummy. So guys, next I'm putting it back on the stove. I'm going to reduce the heat and just cook it for 5 minutes, okay? So guys, after 5 minutes, it is time for me to take it out from the pot, okay? It is done now. I'll take it out from the pot. I'm going to dish it in this mortar. In Nigeria, it's always dished in this, not exactly this kind of one, but and there's a traditional one for it anyway, but this is the only one I have. So we're going to put it in here just to make it look like, you know, like good old days. So look at that. So now guys, I am going to add, remember my otazi vegetable, I am going to add my otazi vegetable. But if you don't have otazi, I have seen people recommend to use spinach if you don't have otazi, and I'm going to add my onions on top of it. So guys, yes, this is our Nkwobi. It is ready, and it tastes so delish. This reminds me so much of back home. I can't wait to dive in, guys. I can't wait to literally devour this food. So guys, this is where this recipe is going to end. This recipe is so tasty, super tasty and super delish. So yes, I am going to end this video for today. Please, if you're new to my channel, please do not forget to like, share and subscribe. Share my video. It's free. Subscribe and press the notification bell to notify you whenever I upload a new and interesting video. So yes, you know what is coming up next. You know. So yes, we are going to be moving over there. I can't wait. This is not the matter of waiting to do the mukbang. The mukbang is like now, let's go. Anyway guys, I will see you on my next one. Bye.